Hello, this is a screencast tutorial on how to create a rubric for an assignment using Rubistar.org. So I'm going to start by going to Internet Explorer, and I'm going to go to Rubistar, that's R-U-B-I-S-T-A-R, dot the number 4, and the word teachers.org. Now you can become a member of this website and have a lot more features, but there are plenty of free features available if I just go to Create Rubric. And then as you can see, there are lots of different options for the different assignments that you might give your students that you might need a rubric for to assess them. So I'm going to be assigning a collage project next week. So I'm going to click over here on making a collage. There are lots of different options that you can click on. For example, graphing, problem solving, even storytelling. But I'm going to click on making a collage. And now I need to enter some information that's going to appear at the top of my rubric. First one's going to be name. I'm also going to give it a title, and this collage is going to be My Family. So that's the assignment I'm giving my students. And Rubistar asks for a zip code, and that's just so that the website can track where it's being used throughout the United States. And I'm going to put yes, my rubric is temporary because I'm not a member of Rubistar, so I'm just going to do a temporary rubric. So now I'm going to go down here, and the Rubistar program gives you a lot of different options for titling your categories. If you don't like any of these, you can always type in your own name right here. Let's take a look. Well, I would like to make sure that my students are paying attention to the theme of the collage, not just putting up any picture that they like. And then I'm going to give some details. It already gives you some details here about what you want to see for them to score a perfect score versus a 3, a 2, or a 1. But you can always change these if you don't like what it says here. I'm going to go down to the next category, and I want to make sure that they have titles and text. Let's see, what else do I want my students to do for their collage? I would want them to be creative. That should be good for this example. So again, if you don't like the text that's written here and you want to make it more student-friendly, you can change it. Now I scroll all the way down to the bottom. So you have lots of space to put as many criteria as you would like for your rubric. Then I'm going to hit submit. And this gives me a preview of what my rubric will look like. And if I don't like it, I can always hit modify rubric, and it'll take me back to the previous page so I can make some changes. Here it's got my title, it's got the teacher's name, a spot for the student's name, and then the rubric itself. Okay, looks good to me, so I'm going to hit print or download. And I'm going to ask it to, you have lots of options here, but I'm going to ask it to download to an Excel spreadsheet because that's how I can save it. I click yes. And now I have it in Excel format. And I can save this on my computer or to the share drive so that my colleagues can see the rubric that I'm using for this particular assignment. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.